In a shocking move that's sending shockwaves through the industrial world, Caterpillar, the iconic American manufacturer, is making headlines again. And this time, they're leaving a $130 billion U.S. production line in the dust. What happened? Why now? And what does it mean for American manufacturing and jobs? Let's break it all down. Founded in 1925, Caterpillar has been the backbone of construction and heavy equipment across the globe. From massive bulldozers to mining trucks, its machines are a symbol of American industry. But now, Caterpillar is turning the page, and the next chapter is full of surprises. Reports confirm that Caterpillar is shutting down or relocating key operations from its massive U.S. production line, valued at over $130 billion. Instead, the company is focusing on a leaner, global strategy that includes overseas manufacturing and high-tech automation. So, where is Caterpillar headed? A lot of eyes are on Asia and Latin America, where production costs are lower and governments offer major tax incentives. This isn't just cost-cutting. It's a shift toward digitalized factories, AI-powered logistics, and robotic assembly lines. Experts believe Caterpillar's move is part of a larger trend, American manufacturing giants prioritizing efficiency and automation over traditional, labor-heavy models. But critics argue that this could lead to thousands of lost U.S. jobs, especially in small industrial towns already struggling with economic shifts. For many American workers, this decision feels like betrayal. One former employee says, "We built this company with our hands, and now they're walking away." Communities are speaking out, demanding answers and accountability. Meanwhile, Caterpillar's leadership remains firm. The CEO recently stated, "We're not abandoning America. We're evolving to stay competitive in a fast-changing world." But for those left behind, those words ring hollow. Whether this is a smart business strategy or a mistake with massive consequences, only time will tell. But one thing is certain, Caterpillar is no longer the same American giant it once was. What do you think about Caterpillar's move? Is this the future of industry or the end of an era? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit like if you found this update informative, and don't forget to subscribe for more breaking industrial news. Bell, this is Car Updater, and we'll see you in the next video.